What's up guys, Boy here. Today we're doing another video. Today we're taking a look at the Turboknife multi-tool. Let's get all these components out first. Let's see. There we go. So let's begin. So the sheath on this one is basically made of nylon. Have a little loop there for you to put it on your belt. Turboknife X. Yes, it's just that. With the rights and everything. With let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 lines on this. And now we get to the multi-tool itself. Now we got like the needle nose pliers. Basically, all this made of stainless steel. Yeah, for this, you basically have stainless on both sides. Right there, too. Of course, you got the file. Got the very much smaller flathead. And, of course, long head. And, of course, the serrated edge. Which, for this one, it basically had 4 big ones. And then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 sticking out. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 curved in there. And of course you have the Phillips screwdriver right here. The saw blade, or the saw edge. The saw blade. And of course a straight edge. Which you can probably know that one. Of course, the scale on this guy is have like this woodland camo, or no, I meant the hunter's woodland camo. Basically, with, as you could definitely, 2 big ones on both sides, and then 2 small ones on both sides. Outside of the multi-tool, you can use the star hexagon screwdriver screws to take them out. So the overall size on this, with all the pieces closed, is around about of 3 3/4. Meanwhile, with the needle nose deployed, it's around about of 5/4. So, as the saw itself on the size is around about of 2 inches. Meanwhile, for the overall size with the saw is around about of 7/4. While for the Phillips screwdriver is around about of 1 inch. While for the overall size with the Phillips screwdriver is around about of 6.5 inches. Meanwhile, for the straight edge blade, it would be around about of 2 inches. Meanwhile, for the overall size with the straight edge would be around about 7/4. And now for the other side itself. Now we got the file. It's around about of 2 inches. Now for the overall size, it would be around about of 2/4. Meanwhile, for the small flathead screwdriver is around about of 1 inch. Meanwhile, for the overall size with the small flathead is around about of 6/4. Meanwhile, for the bigger flathead, it's around about of 1 inch. Meanwhile, for the overall size, it's around about of 6/4. And then finally, the serrated edge is around about of 2 inches. Meanwhile, for the overall size is around about of 7/4. So let's test this bad boy out. So the results out there on, I think this one right here itself. Now for the straight edge, you could probably know that's like a completely destroyed the bottle itself. No, I think that's the serrated edge of all things, if I recall myself. But yeah, you could probably know it has the same damage like the other. No, I think that's a serrated edge. Meanwhile, for this one, again, that's like pretty good clean cuts to it, as you could know that one. So that's a pretty decent, you know, multi-tool of all things. So I give the Turbo multi-tool an astounding of like a 7, basically maybe an 8 out of 10 for knowing about it. It's a pretty good multi-tool, and I do, you know, just basically know for a fact, like, yeah, it's not like a Leatherman multi-tool, but it does get the job done. So that wraps up the Turboknife multi-tool. I'm Martel Boy, and I'm signing out. I'll see you guys next time.